In the foothills of the Western Ghats, Balli is a century-old organic farm. We are striving towards Gandhiji's dream of Grama Swarajya, that is self-sustainability of farmers. We grow our own organic vegetables and fruits. Have developed indigenous breeds of cows like Malnad Gidda, Vichur and Kasargod Kullan.
ही कपिला गाय 2 लिटर से दूध देता.
Apiculture is also the part of a farm which yields best variety of honey. As the age-old saying in Konkani goes, "Bola silyachen bolke, udaka silyachen kolke," prime importance is given for water conservation. The diversity and eco-friendliness of the natural forest is simulated in our farming practices. The surface water of the land is maintained till the end of the summer season by conservation of the trees. As stewards of God's creation, we are called to make the earth a beautiful garden for the human family.
More than 600 varieties of plants among the Western Ghat flora are preserved in our Laudato Si garden. The plants which are listed in endangered and threatened species are also found here.
We are almost towards a plastic-free zone. The slurry obtained from the gobar gas unit and the compost generated from the waste is used as manure for these plants.
Main aim must be to reduce our carbon footprint on our Mother Earth. We are planning to show people the way of natural living. We have planned a herbal construction we have utilized maximum natural elements, and this will be a place for the nature lovers.
Laudato Si.